So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today we will learn file handling in Python. So file handling is used when you want to save some data entered by the user, or you want to save some data manipulated by the user. Here the standard way of saving the data is of course the database, but also you can store some data in some sort of cases in files. So today in this video we will learn how to create a file and how to open up a file. So here in our this project basic concepts of Python, we will just create a file and name it demo.txt. Here you can see inside this basic concepts of Python, we will just create a file, and now if we want to open it, let's just write file. Here our file is our holder which will be then used to open this file, and inside in front of is equal to we just write open, which is which is in this open function we will just pass some parameters. The first parameter will be of course the name of the file, which is in this case demo.txt, and the second parameter will be the mode, in which mode we would like to open our file. And here the mode means if we want to write something in a file, of course it is then we writing mode. In reading mode, if we want to read some data from the file, or in some other processes. So here in the single quote, let's just say we want to write some data in the file. So here we will write w, and here down we will then perform some operations with the file. And here at the end, you must not forget to close a file, because if you don't close it, our program won't run properly. So this is how you open a file like this, and you then do something with the file. Here we will, in next video we will just write, read and append data in a file. So let it be in next video. And at the end, this is how you must not forget to close a file. So this was basic introduction to file handling. If you have any queries regarding it, please tell me in the comment section.